Let's start with text. Like I said before, you can click on any element to edit it, and that's true for text too. When you click on text, you can edit it just like you're in a standard word processor. In the floating toolbar at the far left, you can change the type of text by clicking on the icon and selecting a new text type. Here I just changed it from a paragraph to a heading, and we can change it back to a paragraph. In the center of the toolbar, you can change the text alignment from left aligned to center aligned to right aligned, and that happens within the section, not on the whole page. To bold or italicize text, select it, and then click the bold or italics icons in the floating toolbar. Next, you can style your text with a sidebar. Click on the sidebar in the top bar, and then click on the half black, half white circle to open styles. Here you can update things like font color, typography, and dimensions. As an example, let's change the color of this header. So select the header and then click text on the right side under color. And we can change it to something from our color palette. Or you can click on the color in the top and then use this color selector to pick a specific color. I'm actually happy with the original black here, so I'll just click that and then close that out. When you're done making changes in the sidebar, you can click the X at the upper right.